Welcome back to another illuminating tutorial on our channel. Today, we're about to embark on a journey of personalization as we dive into the fascinating world of customizing the CMD window. Let's start with the basics. You might wonder why changing the title via CMD is useful. Well, imagine you're working on a project, managing multiple windows, or just want to organize your workspace more efficiently. To change the title of the command prompt window, type title followed by the title you want. Your command prompt window gets a brand new title. Next, we can learn how to customize prompt in CMD. The prompt consists of various elements, such as the current drive, the directory path, and the character indicating user privileges. To customize the prompt, you can use the prompt command, followed by a series of special codes. For instance, %username% represents your username. If you need any other words as a prompt, type prompt followed by the words you want. To get help, type prompt/?. I will also show some sample using the command prompt. Customizing colors can greatly enhance readability, help you distinguish between different command outputs, and even boost your coding efficiency. To modify the text color, simply type color followed by a hexadecimal digit. To modify the text color and background color, type color followed by 2 hexadecimal digits. The first digit represents the background color, and the second one is for the text color. It's like mixing and matching your favorite shades to create a unique visual experience. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey into the heart of CMD customization. If you found this tutorial inspiring, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech insights, and hit that notification bell to stay informed. Until next time, keep customizing and conquering.